Geeta. Today we are going to start uh, latitude and the time and Indian Standard Time (IST). So let's see how longitudes are important for determining the time of different places of the world. Let's understand this is our Earth. This is the important longitude that is running from North Pole to South Pole, located at 0 degree. This is prime meridian. This is the important reference line. This longitude prime meridian is located at Greenwich, a village near London. This is located at 0 degree. This is the important reference line, important longitude that helps us in locating the times at different longitudes. So now thing is that if I'm telling you a formula before it, at every 1 degree we experience 4-minute time difference. At every 7.5 degree we experience the time difference 30 minutes. At every 15 degree we experience the time difference of 1 hour. At every 30 degree we experience the time of 2 hours. At every 45 degree we experience the time difference of 3 hours. 60 degree 4 hours. 75 degree 5 hours. 90 degree 6 hours, and so on. This is a simple formula. As we all know, in a circle there are 360 angles. 360 angles, and a rotation time for the Earth is 24 hours. It means all these 360 angles, Earth rotates in only 24 hours. So if we divide 360 by 24, it means 15 degrees. At every 15 degrees we experience the time difference of 1 hour. So let's see on this diagram. If at 0 degree the time is 1 p.m. at 1 degree east, the time difference we are going to experience 1:04 p.m. It means 4 hours. 4 minutes past 1 hour. 1 p.m. 4 minutes past 1 p.m. and 15 degree east. 15 degree east. We are going to experience the time difference of 1 hour. So if at 0 degree 1 p.m. so 15 degree east time difference will be 1 hour. It means 2 p.m. On 30 degree 3 p.m. 45 degree 4 p.m. like that. 75 degree east. 75 degree east, what will be the time difference we are going to experience? At 0 degree 1 p.m. 75 degree east, 5 hours time difference we are going to experience. So 5 hours we will add in this time. 1 p.m. added by 5 hours, it means 6 p.m. So time at 75 degree east will be 6 p.m. So now calculate the time. If at 0 degree time is 1 p.m. so what will be the time at 82.5 degree east? 82.5 degree east. What will be the time difference we are going to experience over here? So as we have observed that 75 degree 5 hours time difference we are experiencing, and 7.5 degree we are experiencing 30 minutes. So 75 degree added by 7.5, it means 82.5. So at 82.5 degree east, we are going to experience the time difference 5 hours and 30 minutes. 5 hours 30 minutes. So now we are going to calculate the time at 0 degree 1 p.m. At 82.5 degree east, 5 hours 30 minutes time difference will be observing. So time will be 6:30 p.m. 5 hours 30 minutes added to the time 1 p.m. So it will be 6:30 p.m. This will be the time. So why I am asking this 82.5 degree east? What is the specialty in this 82.5 degree east that I am asking you? Because this is the time, this is the longitude that is determining the time for India. It is Indian Standard Time IST. This is the longitude that determines the time for whole country. As we have observed that in previous videos, as the time difference, the longitudinal difference between eastern and western part of our country is 30 degrees. 30 degree we are experiencing the longitudinal difference because westernmost longitude of India is 68 degrees 7 minute east. And easternmost longitude of our country is 97 degree 25 minute east. When we subtract this 68 degree 7 minute east from 97 degree 25 minute east, so longitudinal difference will be 30 degree. So for 30 degree we are experiencing here the time difference of 2 hours. Time difference of 2 hours. So it means if the time at 68 degrees 7 minute east, the time is 8 p.m. So at 97 degree 25 minutes east, time will be 10 p.m. Here the time is 8 p.m. and at 97 degree 25 minute east, the time will be 10 p.m. It will create a confusion for setting the time for trains, etc. So now to get rid of this kind of confusion, we have taken a standard meridian that is passing through India at 82.5 degree east, that is passing through Mirzapur near Allahabad in UP. So this longitude is taken as the standard meridian of India. It is named as Indian Standard Time. It is located at 82.5 degree east and we have the time difference 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. If the time at 0 degree 1 p.m. so time at 82.5 degree east in India, time will be 6:30 p.m. It means 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Now a question for you the students. If the time at Greenwich, answer me in comment section. If the time at Greenwich Mean Time 4 p.m. what will be the time at 82.5 degree east and 45 degree east? This is a question for you. In comment section, answer me. The next question, next thing that I am telling you, this is all about the eastern hemisphere. We are adding the time in the time of Greenwich Mean Time. If the time is asked for the western hemisphere, how can we calculate the time? It means we are going to subtract the time of Greenwich. Here we are going to add the time and in western hemisphere we are going to subtract the time. It means 15 degree east if the time is 2 p.m. 15° west, the time will be 1 hour earlier. From 1 p.m. subtract 1 hour. It means 12 noon. 30° west, time will be 11 a.m. 45° west, 45° west, time will be 10 a.m. Like that, we are subtracting the time here in Western Hemisphere, and in Eastern Hemisphere we are going to add the time to Greenwich Mean Time. Thank you. Have a nice day.